Congratulations! If you're on this page, you are about to retire, or maybe you've already retired and you're concerned about your money lasting in retirement. I've built the calculator especially to answer this question, and you know that financial planning in retirement is not a perfect science, and it's for one reason, and that is we do not know how old we're going to get. If that answer was available to us, this planning would have been really easy. So what does the calculator do? There's only 5 inputs. The number of capital that you've got, how much capital have you got, what is the return that you're currently getting on that capital, how much income do you need from that capital, what's your tax rate, and then what is the annual increase that you need on your income. Now the increase on your income is important because you are forever going to need a bigger and bigger income, because inflation is going to force you to take an increase on your income. Then if you press calculate, it will give you the number of years that your money is going to last. Just below that button I've created a link to a tax calculator for you to play around with. So if you want to change the income to see if your money will last longer, you'll probably have to change the tax rate all the time. Right at the bottom of this page, I've created a link to the investment products that we recommend, and also the investment products that I use for me personally. On that page, I've also created calculators for you to play around with, create some quotes, and see if you can optimize the number or the income that you are getting from your investments. I want to wish you all the best with all the decisions you need to make before or in retirement. And if you like what I do, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in one of my next videos. Cheers, bye.